Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm going to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a chef base. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. And the overall length of the unit is about like 48 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like 32.5 inches deep. Overall height of the unit is about like 25 inches tall. So as we can see, the units come with the two drawers at the front, and on the side of the unit, they do have a controllers. They have a setting buttons, defrosting, and the temperature adjusters. Have a small digital display in the center. So when we pull off this drawer, we can see they have a couple sticks divide the space inner side. Between the two sticks, it is about like 5.5 inches. And the depth of the straw, it is about like 20 inches deep. And the height of the drawer about like 4 inches. They come in with 5 sections of the inner side. And the bottom drum the same. So when we look at the behind of the units, we can see they do have the ETL sanitation stickers with cost sheets information and diagram information too. And also they do having the standard 110 plugs on it. And the unit's made by all stainless steels. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us.